Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kit Valentin Timagtaog, and today I will be teaching you guys how to find the equation of a tangent in normal line of a parabola. So let us look at the practice problem. At what point of the parabola y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1 if the tangent line is parallel to 2x y minus y is equal to 2. So the first step here is to find the slope. So let us find the equation. So 2x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so our slope here is equal to 2. Now, after finding the slope, the next step here is to find the value of the x and the y. So, let us first find the value of the x by deriving this problem. So, y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. So, the derivation of this is equal to y prime is equal to 2x minus 4, and the 1 is a constant. So, let's change the y prime into 2. So, 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. And the next step here is to bring this negative 4 to the other side. So, it will be 4 plus 2 is equal to 2x. Okay, so x is equal to 2x. Then let's divide both by 2. So our x here is equals to 3. Now that we find the value of the x, the next thing is to find the value of the y. So let's just copy this and change all the x to 3. Now after substituting the value of the x, let's solve. So okay, now let's solve. So 3x squared is 9, and negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 plus 1. Then let's solve again. So the final answer is negative 2. So Rx is 3 and our y is negative 2. Now that we find the value of the x and the y, the next step here is to find the equation of the tangent line. So the formula for the tangent line is y minus y sub 1 is equals to the slope times x minus x sub 1. So our y sub 1 and x sub 1 are this. Then let's substitute. So y minus negative 2 is equals to 2 times x times 3. Then let's solve. So y plus 2 is equal to 6. Then let's bring this 2 here to the other side. So y equals to okay, so this is our tangent line. This is the equation of the tangent line. The next one here is to find the Goodbye.